Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership, Pomeroy, Ohio. Here it is, snowing outside, but that's not going to stop us. We're going to put another car on the lot today. This is a 2016 Hyundai Sonata. It's a sport trim package. Very nice ride. I really like this car. I'm going to show you why here in just a minute. We'll do a quick walk around here. Get on the inside. Beautiful silver color on the exterior. Light gray on the inside cloth. Get right here, you can see the Sport Edition, and it does have a backup camera right there. So let's go ahead and take a look inside the trunk. Okay, there we go with the lid open. We do have some additional floor mats back here, but a lot of space back here, and it's clean. So we'll continue to do our walk around. Go on the driver's side, you've got the chrome trim down at the bottom base of both doors. Nice looking wheels on this. Let's go on the inside and take a look. Okay, here we are, light gray, even a tan possible. Go up here and show you the headliner. And nice two-tone color on your door panels. And you do have turn signals on both mirrors. So here we are on the inside. I just now starting the car up. You can see where everything's getting fired up here, but I want to get in here close, show you the miles. As of right now, 69,231 miles. And you do have controls for your Bluetooth on the left side of your wheel. It does connect to your smartphones, and you've got multiple settings right here. Your cruise control on the right, Bluetooth audio on the left. And it does have the backup camera. I'm going to engage it down in reverse. There you can see your camera. And we go here to the multiple selections for your audio, and you get down here with your climate control. Now, one thing I want to show you, push this, opens up, and there's multiple inputs here for all your electronic devices, including a USB port. We'll close that. You've got two cup holders here, nice gear shift, armrest, and it folds up for additional storage space. Very nice car inside. And you can see in the back, the centerpiece does fold down for an armrest. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes our tour of our 2016 Hyundai Sonata Sport model. We've got a lot of banks interested in doing financing, a lot of options. So if you have any questions, like to test drive this thing, feel free to touch base or come up here. Have a great day.